Morning Year 11. Been asked about question 22 by a couple of people, so here's a worked solution. It's an expanding quadratics question with surds involved. We're trying to find an expression for C and an expression for D. It's a bit of an odd one, but the first thing that I notice is we've got something expressed as root 2 and I've got root 8 in the brackets, so the first thing I'm going to do is change root 8 to 2 root 2. And remember, that's root 4 times root 2. Well, root 4 is 2 and 2 lots of root 2. That's as easy as I can express it. Then I can see we're going to have to expand this bracket, so I would advise doing that with grid method this time because it's going to get a little bit messy. And same as usual, a times a is just a squared. I'm going to do this bit over here first. We've got 2 times 2 is 4, root 2 times root 2 is 2, 4 times 2 gives me 8. We've also got a lots of 2 root 2, and I'm going to write that as 2a lots of root 2 because my root 2 over here is what it's being expressed in, and same for over here, 2a lots of root 2. Now I'm going to tidy this up a bit. We've got a squared, we've got 8, and I'm putting it this way around this time, and you'll see why in a second. And I've got plus 2a root 2 and another 2a root 2, which is 4a root 2. And we've been asked to find an expression for C and D. Well, I can't simplify this anymore, so let's take a look at what we've got. C is an integer, and that's made up clearly of a plus 8. So the expression to express that C value is a squared plus 8. And then the D component of this root 2, well, that is 4 lots of A. That's the coefficient or the number of root 2's that we've got. So D can be expressed as 4A. And that is that.